To begin working with a CRM, the first step is to create the structure where we'll manage our deals. This structure is a sales pipeline, a set of organized deals that shows the stages of your collaboration with a client based on your business model. In SendPulse, this is presented as a Kanban board, a list, or a calendar. The pipeline helps you visualize each deal, lets you track its progress, and identify any issues in the sales process. Let's get straight to the practical side of things and create and configure a pipeline in SendPulse CRM. Go to the CRM section and click Add Pipeline. Enter a name, choose a color, and within the pipeline you can also set the currency and the assigned manager. This allows you to visually differentiate your pipelines, for example, for B2C and B2B streams. It's important to remember that if you sell different products or services or work in multiple regions, each pipeline will need its own unique settings. Now that the pipeline is created, let's configure it. As you can see on the screen, each pipeline is made up of stages. The default stages are New, In Progress, and Pending Approval. You can add your own stages, such as Awaiting Payment or Ready for Dispatch. Simply click on Add Deal stage, enter a name and choose a color, and it will appear on your Kanban board. Now that we've covered that, what's inside the deal itself? Go to the pipeline settings. Here you'll see the general information you entered earlier, which you can modify. Next, you'll see the Fields tab, where you can add the deal type, product name, and other variables to be displayed on the deal card. Then there is the tab section, where you'll find the System tabs: General, Documents, Payments, Tasks, Products, Calls, and Contacts. These tabs cannot be edited or deleted, but you can deactivate them except for the General tab. To do this, simply switch the corresponding toggle to inactive. Please note that if a tab has required fields, it cannot be disabled. You can also reorder the tabs on the deal card by clicking and dragging the field to the left of the name to the desired position. To track payments, you can mark which pipeline stages on the General tab indicate an initiated, successful, or failed payment. This lets you view revenue statistics on your dashboard, and if a payment fails, you can quickly get in touch with the client. Conclusion: a sales pipeline is a series of stages that every lead goes through, from the first contact to the final sale. In this lesson, we've learned how to create and configure a pipeline in SendPulse CRM, adding stages, fields, and tabs, as well as selecting currency and assigning managers. You now know how to quickly, easily, and flexibly adapt a pipeline to your business processes. In our next lesson, we will talk about creating and managing deals in SendPulse CRM.